What's going on, YouTube? This is KDRC, and I'd like to take some time today to show you guys my RC collection that's constantly growing. All right, first we're going to start with this truck here. This truck I originally got off of Amazon, which was brushed, but I've since upgraded it to a brushless with a 4370 kV motor and a 3S ESC. And I also have a video of that transformation coming soon. Okay, next I have this car here, which was a kit based on the TT02 chassis, and I've upgraded it to brushless with a 5200 kV motor and a 3S ESC. All right, next we have my Kyosho Hellcat Phaser Edition, which I've also upgraded to brushless with a 5200 kV motor and a 3S ESC. Okay, now we're going to come to my Arrma Typhon, which I've upgraded to a 6S from a Mega brushed, and it also has a 2800 kV motor in it. Next, I have my Rustler, which is upgraded, brushed, 5200 kV motor, 3S ESC, and brand new rear tires, because when I took this truck out, it had so much power that it ripped the original tires, so I had to get new ones. Okay, next we're going to come to my Traxxas T-Max, my one and only nitro car. Actually, it's my first nitro car. Okay, next let's go over to my upgraded Arrma Senton that I have installed, a 2000 kV motor with a 4S ESC. Next we have my Arrma Big Rock 3S, which is still stock. I just recently got it, and you can see it's recently been out. Okay, next is my Titan, my Kraton 8S. I just recently got this truck and haven't had a lot of playtime with it, but I like to take it out a little more and get a little more used to it. All right, next I have my drone, my DRC D10 drone that I've also bought this one off Amazon. All right, next I have my mini helicopter, my Blade 70S. This is a little fun to fly around the house, have a little fun. Next, last but not least, is my Latrax Rally that I've upgraded to a brushless. So there you have it.